How to draw a praying mantis insect in cartoon form. Use a pencil to draw with, so you can erase lines later to clean up your picture. Follow along drawing the lines crossing over existing lines when needed. It makes it so much easier. I will place yellow X's on the lines to be erased after the picture is all drawn. Note the yellow X's on the 4 lines to be erased. Once those lines are erased, all you need to do is color your drawing. You did a great job drawing your picture.